welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Mariah and I make DIY videos. First things first, I would like to introduce every single one of you to my son Jace. Say hi. He will be starring in this DIY today. But before we get into this video, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so what you need is flour, salt, a measuring cup, and water. First, I'm going to put a half cup of flour into the measuring cup. Next, we're going to use a half cup of salt. Lastly, we're going to start off with about 1/4 of water. Now you're going to knead until dough forms. You can add more water if necessary. Make sure you add little at a time. It's baby's time! By the way guys, he did not like the texture. Set the oven for 200 degrees. Bake time 3 hours. This is what it should look like after. You can have your child color or paint. This is optional. Red. Yay! Color the hand. Color the hand. Yay! As you all can tell, he is really enjoying this part. Are you making it for Dada? Say for Dada. Good job. Say, I did it. Let's see what you did. It's pretty. Just that hands down. Wow. Pretty cool. And here's the final result. I think he did pretty good. Thank you all for watching. We hope you all enjoyed this video and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!